Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I decided that I wanted to try doing like a boba at home, not like from scratch, but just like where you put it in the stove or in the saucepan, you know what I mean. So I just wanted to try it at home instead of going out and buying it. I was like, I need to just try. I know, like, just for like one boba drink, for sure you waste like $5 on one. Perhaps you could save a little by doing it at home. Not that everyone likes to do it from home. It's always better just going, we know that, but I decided to try it. I made like 3 drinks just to pour it into my boba, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so the boba I bought was from Amazon. I just looked up boba pearls and just bought the first thing kind of that I found. Kind of looked at the reviews, because I've really never made boba, honestly. And so I bought this. It's a little, this is how it came wrapped. It has like 2 pieces. Let me open one pack, that way open up one pack, like untape it basically, just so y'all can see them, I guess. So they're black tapioca pearls, and here it says ready in 5 minutes, but I was reading some reviews longer, shorter. I'm just gonna see how it goes. One thing I did read is I should open it in a pan or something because it's like airtight, and you can tell, look, they're like really. So let's start. Let's hope for the best. So to cook the boba, I'm just gonna follow the directions that were here. Directions. So it says boil 10 cups of water for every 1 cup of boba in a large pot. Add boba slowly into boiling pot and stir lightly. I added the boba first. I might need a bigger one then. Wait until boba floats to water surface. Cover pot. Cook in medium heat for 5 to 8 minutes. Turn off heat and simmer on 5 to 8 minutes. Adjust time to soften boba to personal taste. Then scoop out boba and let it rest in cold water for 20 seconds. Scoop out boba into dry bowl and mix in sugar or honey. So I'm gonna do that. Well, I already added it to this bowl, but that's an easy fix. I have another bigger, ¿cómo se le dice? A bigger pot. Yeah, the boba in this little pot, and we're gonna put it all in this big pot. Since it does say 10 cups of water per 1 cup of boba, I estimated like 4 to 5 cups. So I'm gonna add, I guess, 40 cups of water to 50 cups of water. That's a lot of water. So let's see. Okay, so I went ahead and added my like 40 something cups of water into my pot, as you can see. And now all we gotta do is let it boil. Once it's boiled, then we start putting in the boba according to the instructions. Ay, mi pelo. So that's just what I'm gonna do because I'm scared to mess it up, and it's a lot of boba. Look, a lot of boba. So I do not want to mess that up. I'm so scared to mess it up. So I'm gonna let this boil, and while I let this boil, well, there's nothing much I can do. Okay, so now it's boiling. As you can see, it's really hot. So, oh shoot. So now I said to add the boba slowly, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, now that my boba is all in there, it says to put it in medium heat for 5 to 8 minutes and then turn it off and just let it simmer for another 5 to 8 minutes. So I'm gonna let it do that and then we'll come back. I already set the setting to medium. So now you can kind of see it. Can y'all see it? Yeah, y'all can kind of see it. They're floating. It does say they have to float. So now they're floating and they look good. So I guess I'll see y'all again in another 5 to 10, 15, 20 minutes. Okay guys, so it's already been like 10 minutes, if not a little bit more or less. And they look ready. You can't really see, so let's drain them. So we have like these kind of restaurant-ish containers. Sorry, I went blank. Containers. So I'm gonna put all the boba in here and then I'm gonna mix the sugars in order to make the, you know, the boba sweeter. You know, that little, they're not super sweet, but they have that little sweetness. So they are kind of sweet. So, and plus it does say it on the instructions, so I think like that just makes sense. We am gonna add brown sugar and regular sugar. That's my plan, so let's see. So here is the drained out boba and I'm just gonna pour it in. I dropped some, sorry, I have to take it. They're stuck. You see how stuck they are? Oh my god, spoon. Oof, they're really stuck. Watch. There goes my boba. I did drop some, but it's okay. Now, look at that. Let me see. So now to make them a little bit sweet, I'm gonna go ahead and add some sugar. So first I'm gonna start off with half a cup of the brown sugar, just because it is a lot of them. And they're kind of good already, so maybe it doesn't need that much. Let's see if they mix, because they're a little bit too gooey. Like they stick a little bit. Like even when you just grab one, it kind of sticks into your finger. It's weird. Okay, that looks good. Going somewhere. Cool. Oh, don't mind that cabinet door. Don't mind the cabinet. Oh, y'all can see our ugly inside there. Oh, it's looking good. It looks kind of like, no, y'all can't see it, but it's kind of like getting more syrupy because of the sugar. There we go. Ooh. Let me taste one. See if it's good. If not, then not. I fell inside. I think they're good. I don't think we need to add more. I'm just gonna make sure. One more. They're like, to me they're good, but I'm scared that they're gonna turn out, once you mix it in the drink, that it's not gonna be as good. They're delicious. I don't think they're supposed to have that much flavor. In all honesty, I'm leaving it with half a cup. If you think it's not enough sugar for you, just add more. It's okay. You can also add honey. You can also add white sugar. I'm not gonna add any because I honestly think it's like perfect. Like, wow, this tastes so good. Now we just need to make the boba drinks. So I'm gonna set this aside. Over here. And I'm gonna put these. Sorry, so I had to move y'all like a little bit more that way because y'all couldn't see this. I want you to be able to see this. This is where we're gonna put first our boba in here and then our drinks, but I'll go over the drinks now. So okay, so I made 3 drinks. So one is a shy milk tea, a classic milk tea, and a strawberry green tea. For all 3, I'll include the recipes at the bottom. I did kind of create them, like I just kind of figured one would be this, that, and the shy, it's honestly, they're all tea bags. So I had a shy tea bag, a green tea bag, and a black tea bag, and then I just kind of like brewed all the teas, and then at the end I would add the puree. Like for this one it was a strawberry puree inside, and then for this milk and stuff like that. Very simple. I'll just add it in the description and then y'all can just make it. And yeah, it was pretty decent. I didn't want to, oh, let's try and make more drinks again like in my last video. That was too hard. This one was actually easy. They're already made up. The one my dog hates. Oh man, now y'all can see. What puppies? Sugar here. So yeah, so that's that. Don't mind my long class. Now we're gonna actually do the tea. Wait. Let's start the shy. No, the classic milk tea because it's the classic one. So we're gonna add our boba. 1 and 2. I don't like a lot of boba, so I'm not gonna add a lot. And then I have to drink all 3. No, I don't. I'm gonna give some to a family member or whatever. And then we're gonna pour some ice. So I'm gonna get it from my fridge. I poured a lot of ice, so let's hope it fits. So there's the boba, and then my ice, and now, last but not least, wow, it barely fit. Perfect. So that's our classic milk tea, and then next we're gonna do the shy milk tea. We'll just add again the same amount. It's a lot of boba. And ice again. Okay, and here it goes. Looks so pretty, watch. Beautiful. And last but not least, our strawberry green tea. So, boba. And again, boba. One doesn't want to fall. And ice again. And so y'all can see it. Beautiful tea. Beautiful. So there they are. All 3 boba teas. But a boba tea wouldn't be a boba tea without its straws. Nope. Oh, they look so cute. Let's try. So mixing this one. The bubbles came out good. Damn, really good. Like normal, like as if you were to buy them at the store. And the tea is really good. Shy tea, I'm pretty sure. Shy milk tea, sorry. It is. All the bubbles came in through the straw. Bon appetit, bon appetit. And last, classic milk tea is pretty good. Which is black tea and milk. The bubbles are good. I'd say this was a success. There you have it. How to make boba at home. Pretty easy. The straws, you can find them at Target or a Walmart or online. But there you have it. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope y'all like watching me make some boba for the first time. And yeah, here they are, cute as drinks. Oh, they cute or whatever. Cute. See y'all next time. Bye.